Hi, welcome to Kratos BI. My name is Chris Wagner, and today we're going to be going over how you configure an SSAS instance out in the Power BI service. All right, let's head over to my desktop. Okay, so this is a situation. You've got your analysis services. You got it up and running. You love it. This is your bread and butter. You do all of your analysis against this. Now you want to start leveraging the Power BI. And how do you get this set up? There's basically four things that you're going to need. You're going to need to have your analysis services. We're going to have to set up a gateway. We're going to then create a workspace for data sets, and then we're going to publish a PBIX file with that connection in it. All right, so here's a big tip that I'm going to give you. You definitively want to make sure that you follow all four of these steps. You're going to think you can cheat. Don't. And you're going to see that in some future videos I have coming up as to why. All right, so this is the analysis services I have. I know it. I love it. This is my Kratos BI data set. I use it all the time for all my analytics. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I have a gateway set up inside the service. And to do that, I'm going to go over to my little options here. I'm going to go to Settings. And then I'm going to go to Manage Gateways. Now, this requires that you have an enterprise gateway installed on your system, so that you can make these connections. If you're looking for information on how to do that, go check out down in the links below. But inside my gateways, I'm going to have set up a analysis services. Connection to the model that I had over here, right? So this is running on my local host. It's my Kratos BI dataset _AAS. I've got this guy up and running out there. I've got credentials. I've got it secured. It's all set up. Here's a big tip, though. Make sure you've defined who is able to publish to this workspace. A real pro tip here, though, is make sure you're using AAS or Azure Active Directory groups instead of names. That works out much better. All right, so once I've got this gateway all set up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out and I'm going to open Power BI Desktop, and I'm going to make a connection to that analysis services inside here, right? This is something that you're familiar with. Now, one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a text box. I'm going to say this page left blank intentionally. There we go. Okay, so this is my Kratos BI dataset for SSAS. It's connected here. I'm going to save this, and now I'm going to publish this out into a Power BI workspace that I'm going to have that's specific to my dataset. So in this case, I'm going to have a demo dataset that I'm using. So I'm going to publish it right out into here. So I'm going to publish this. Okay. So up pops my workspaces. I'm going to select my demo datasets. Click select. It's going to publish out into the service. Oh, look at that. You can already see that it's starting to populate over here. That's incredible how quick that is. Right? So once it's out here, there's a big thing you need to make sure that you do. After you get the success, click got it. Head over to the Power BI service. Click on these little ellipses here. Click on the setting, and then make sure that you choose the appropriate gateway for in here. It should auto-detect if everything's set up right, but if you have something that's not configured right inside your gateway, you're going to see that you might have to set this up, okay? This guy is all good to go. So if I go back to my data set, I'm all done. All right. Thank you guys very much for tuning in. Remember, there's four parts that you need to have. Four parts. You need to have your SSAS service up and running. You need to have your gateway configured. You need to have your dataset workspace, and then you need to publish your PBIX file. All right. Next, we're going to be talking about the advantages of and how you migrate to analysis services in the next video. Thank you guys very much. If you like this content, make sure you hit that big thumbs up down below, subscribe to the channel, and heck, share this out with your friends, families, loved ones. It really helps the channel. I really appreciate it. Peace.